What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video, and today we are imagining Black Myth Wukong in Unreal Engine 5. I am very excited for this game, so I just decided to kind of just showcase a bit how it would feel, kind of the atmosphere. Now of course, Black Myth Wukong is way more advanced than the demo that you're previewing here. But this is to get excited and to hype up a bit the game and just to see a bit the tech behind it. Now, of course, Black Myth Wukong also has more biomes and stuff, and here I'm just previewing the simple, I guess we could say forest biome that it has, which was we saw in the first gameplay that they showcase us. So in here, what we're previewing is a lot of Nanite and a lot of Lumen. So they're the new characteristics on Unreal Engine 5. Now Nanite basically allows objects to have millions of triangles of geometry, as it will basically depending on the distance automorph in a seamless transition those triangles into smaller ones and bigger ones. So the quality will be reduced as we are away, but it will be increased as we get closer into it. Now this is very similar to normal LODs, but the thing is that this does it in a very intelligent way that basically allows us to have a more quality on it, and also without any transition. Now unfortunately I had to lower down this specs a lot. Everything is on Nanite, and also I am running like a medium quality over here, and this is because my computer couldn't handle more than what you see in here. So yeah, also I believe it is at 1080p, so not fully 4K. Well, actually I think it's 2K, but not any of the most advanced height settings over here. Also virtual shadow maps are disabled. This is because if not, the game will definitely crash. So yeah, so this is a bit just to showcase a bit how it will look. Now Lumen is a fully dynamic global illumination system that it will basically just do all its calculations in real time, so we can have pretty much a ray tracing without needing an RTS computer, we could say. All the reflections and etc and shadows, lighting, everything is just done in real time in a very realistic way. Now of course it does consume quite a lot, so also it is dropping frames a bit over here. I believe I'm running around a bit more than 20 FPS, so definitely not the greatest thing, but you can kind of see how it will look. Now this is just a demo that I got from some Maui assets, and then also the Wukong from the Epic Games Paragon example. So when you join these two things, we can kind of get some really cool things. Now I adjusted a bit the post processing and the lighting and fog, so we can get a bit cooler details over here. But of course this totally changes depending on how you view it. Now of course, like I've mentioned before, there's nothing compared to Wukong. This is just to get an idea of how it will look, hype a bit the game, and honestly just showcase a bit some tech advancements on 5.1, because this is running on Unreal Engine 5.1. So definitely really cool stuff up here. And I could also get the controller, which will actually get a bit more of a smooth controls, but it's okay. So guys, I think I'll be ending this video here. This was a bit just to go ahead and just showcase a bit these things. I will be leaving the packets and assets that I use in this video in the description, which is the Maui Cornfield asset pack, and then we have the Wukong from the Paragon from Epic Games. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I would really appreciate you to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials and videos, so if you want to go ahead and check them out, go ahead. And also join my Discord server, and also follow me on all my socials such as Twitter and Instagram. Now yes, with all said, bye bye.